This is my first budget build. I'm building this computer for my mother, who basically uses her computer for internet and email usage. Start off with the board, the Gigabyte B365M. This is a nice little board, has M.2 capabilities, and will also run the 9th generation Intel processors. We're using a Intel i5 9400. This is a nice little setup because it came with its own heatsink and fan inside the box. For memory, I'm going with Corsair Vengeance DDR Force, running at 2133 megahertz. We got 16 gigabytes there. For storage, the Samsung 970 EVO M.2, 500 gigabytes. Mother requested Wi-Fi capabilities, so just a simple TP-Link Wi-Fi card. And all this is powered by a Corsair 450 power watt supply. Everything is encased inside a Cooler Master N200 case, which I've already stripped down right here. And down in the description, I'll provide a link on the Newegg website for each of these components.